What's up guys, welcome to another video. So before this video starts, I just want to go over just a few things. And so the first thing is that this video is based off of my kind of crashes. Not really all my crashes, but other crashes that I caught or managed to catch on camera. So it's pretty much a compilation of my crashes, my brothers, some other random people, my friends, and all that cool stuff. But so that's one thing I want to say, and I don't know if I got all of them from all my videos. I don't know if I got all of them, but it should be enough. The second thing I wanted to say is that since it's winter time, I won't be uploading as much as I was in the summer, so the uploads will be slowing down a bit, and you guys have probably already realized that by now. Hope you guys are okay with that, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna stop completely uploading. It's just gonna be, I'm not gonna upload as much, and I have some things coming up for videos, but like I said, the videos, they're going to be slowing down since the race season is not going on anymore, and there's a lot of snow on the ground, and I can't really ride dirt bikes outside anymore, and maybe we'll go to like Switchback or something, indoor track, or go out of state to maybe South Carolina, I don't know, go down south or whatever. Alright, so the third thing I wanted to say is just let me know in the comments below if you are getting notifications from my channel and from my videos that, oh hey, I posted a video or whatever, because I just want to know. There's something curious, and because sometimes people don't get notifications, so I just want to know if you guys did, or if some people did or whatever. So just let me know in the comments below if you got notifications for this video or for previous videos. That'd be greatly appreciated. With all that being said, we can jump right into the video.
You had it, dude! I needed to go faster. I'm gonna let this guy go by. Well, that sucks. Whoa! Oh! Hey, good? Holy shit! Oh, there you go! Whoa! Oh my God! Oh! Oh! You good? You good?
I'm trying to like jump it. You're good. Back brake is pretty good. Locks right up. Not like that though.